Start English literature. Mukesh starts a zoo. We had already discussed half of the lesson, and now we are going to continue further from page number 97. We are going to continue today. So, in the previous class, we had studied that Mukesh went to Delhi with his father and he saw zoo. And in zoo, he saw many types of animals, different kinds of wild animals. He saw gibbons, he saw then monkeys, he saw then he saw crocodiles, then he saw elephants, many wild different types of animals in saw, and he was very much fascinated. Then he decided to open a zoo of his own. He used to live in Dehra. Dehra is a small town in Himachal Pradesh where there is no such kind of zoo concept. So he decided to open a zoo of his own with his friends. His friends were Teju Koki. Okay, so they decided to collect few animals, and they collected lizard, they collected donkey, which they named as wild ass. Then they collected uh, yes, then they collected rabbits, then they collected parrot, and these kind of different one dog also. So they collected different animals, and then what they do, we are going to study today. Page number 97. The first attraction was a packing case filled with an assortment of house lizards. Now, as soon as people used to enter the zoo, the first thing that they are going to see in the zoo was the case in which lizards were kept. Too many lizards were kept in the case. They looked rather sluggish, having been generously fed with supply of insects. They then came enclosure with Koki's white rabbit. Now, second was rabbit enclosure. Enclosure means a fence, a boundary. As you can see in the picture, a rabbit is there in the boundary. So the second animal which was there in the zoo was rabbit, looking very cuddly. Cuddly means very cute. Then, staring at it with evil intent from behind the wire netting was Mukesh dog. Now, since dog is omnivorous animal, now he was next to this rabbit was the dog, and dog was in the intention to eat rabbit. He was looking at the rabbit that he just get a chance, and if he gets a chance, he is going to eat the rabbit. Rare black dog with yellow eyes. Read the notice on the enclosure. Then tethered a mango tree was the donkey with a placard saying wild as from Kutch. Now, can you see in the picture a donkey is attached with a rope and the rope is tied up to the tree? Yes, and a placard is also there, wild as from Kutch. Now he was a donkey, but they named it as wild as from Kutch. He was not wild as, he was Sitaram's donkey, but they named it as wild as from Kutch. Everyone recognized it as washerman's beast of burden. Every now and then it tried to break loose, for it was long past his feeding time. Now Donkey was getting very restless. He was not happy being tied up. He used to roam here and there, and Mukesh has tied it up with the tree. So the donkey was becoming very restless. He wanted to just break the rope and move out of the this zoo. There was also a duck that did not seem to belong to anyone. Now, duck also came inside the zoo. A small cow that had strayed on its own cow also came on its own in the zoo. Duck did not belong to anybody, cow did not belong to anybody. They came in the zoo on their own. But the star attraction, now, what was the center of attraction in the zoo was the parrot. Why? Because the parrot was not the ordinary parrot, it was a special parrot who can say chants and prayers. Okay, as it could recite three different prayers. It was surrounded by a group of admiring parents. Now, everybody was excited to see the parrot. Why? Because rabbit was common, and this donkey was also common. There was nothing special in it. Dog was also common. So, what was special? Parrot. And why parrot was special? Because parrot was able to say three different types of prayers. While Mukesh and Teju were escorting visitors around the zoo, Koki and Dolly were doing brisk business at the ticket counter. Now, Koki and Dolly, they were sisters of Teju and Mukesh. They were selling tickets at the ticket counter. Their work was to sell tickets, and tickets were also homemade tickets. They had collected about 10 rupees where there was a disturbance in the enclosure. Now, the business was going very good. They were selling tickets and they had collected 10 rupees also. And business was going very good. Suddenly, some disturbance happened in the zoo. What disturbance happened? The black dog had dug himself out of his enclosure and now was busy trying to dig his way into the rabbit compartment. Now, as I told you, dog was very much eager to eat rabbit. So what he did, he just dig the place where he was and he went inside the ground and he just wanted to go in the rabbit that enclosure to eat it. So he dig the ground, he went inside and came into the enclosure of rabbit to eat it. Then what happened? The rabbit was running around and down. A rabbit got panicked because dog was about to eat him. So he was running around and around here and there, panic stricken in circles. Meanwhile, the donkey finally snapped the rope. And another thing, what happened? While the dog was digging and he came inside the rabbit's enclosure, the second thing happened was the donkey was able to move out from the wrap. Now the donkey was also there tied up with a tree. That why all of you are showing me the book? Why you are showing book in the camera? No need. Pay attention in the story. Look in the book. Read it. Why you all are showing in the camera? Panic stricken, meanwhile, the donkey finally snapped the rope he held in. Now, donkey was also able to break the rope and he was running in the zoo here and there. Scattered the spectators. Now, what happened when donkey was running here and there? The people also started running here and there. Everybody got panic. The rabbit was panicked because of the dog, and donkey, he also moved out of the rope. He was running here and there in the whole zoo. And since donkey was running in the whole zoo, all of the people who were there in the zoo, they also got panic. They also got afraid. They also started running. So everybody in the zoo was running here and there. Everybody was panic. Everybody was afraid. Now there was a chaos in the zoo, a big chaos. Koki rushed to rescue the rabbit and cradled in her arms. Now, Koki was able to save Rabbit from the dog. The dog was not able to eat Rabbit because Koki went there and she saved the rabbit. The dog now turned his attention to the duck. The dog said, "Now, rabbit is gone out of my hand. Now, I'm going to eat the duck." Dog was very smart. He wanted to eat rabbit. Now when Koki saved rabbit, he ran towards the duck. Now he said, "Now I'm going to eat duck." So such a chaos was there. The duck flew over. Now duck also started running here and there because dog was after the duck now. While the dog landed in scattering the lizards in all desert. Now finally what happened? The dog was not able to eat rabbit. The dog was not able to eat the duck also. And then finally he landed where? He landed in the case of lizards. The dog landed in the case of lizards. Now, lizards also spread all over. Lizards also spread here and there all over. In all this confusion, nobody noticed that the door of the parrot's cage had slipped open. With a squawk and whir of wings, the bird shot off the cage and flew off into the nearby orchard. Now, finally, what happened? In all this chaos, the parrot's cage door was remained open by mistake, and parrot had also gone. So it started by the dog. Dog was after the rabbit. He digged the ground. Koki saved the rabbit. Then dog went after the duck. The donkey also was able to snap out of the rope. Donkey started running here and there, because of which the people who came in the zoo, they also started running here and there. Then dog went to the duck. Duck also started running here and there. He was not able to eat the rabbit. He was not able to eat the duck. He landed into the lizard cage. Lizards also started running here and there. And then what happened? In all this chaos, and everybody was running here and there, whole chaos. Now imagine what type of a chaos it must be. Everybody is running here and there and rush and chaos. And in that chaos, what happened? Parrot also won. Parrot cage was open. That also flew away. Now everything was such like what happened. Who said the parrot gone? Shouted Dolly. Dolly shouted, "Parrot is gone. Parrot is not there in the cage." Immediately, silence fell upon. Everybody was shocked. Everybody started, "Oh, what happened?" Parrot was not the normal parrot. First of all, it was Koki's grandmother parrot, and that too special parrot because he used to say three different kinds of prayers and chants, and that parrot gone. And grandmother did not know that her parrot is here. So now they were so afraid. Grandparent also doesn't know now if she is going to ask for the parrot what we are going to say, because parrot is not there, parrot gone. Even the dog stopped barking. What happened when this said when Dolly said parrot gone, it was such a silence all over. Arey, now what happened? Even the dog also stopped barking. Dog also was now he was attention. What happened? Parrot gone. How could they possibly face Granny? Teju wondered if she would believe that he told her to flown off to heaven. What can we do? Now they started crying. Children started crying because now they said what we can do if we will say that parrot is dead. Grandmother will not agree because she knows that parrot was healthy. How can parrot will die? So then they were thinking what to do, what to say to my grandmother that where the parrot has gone. The crowd fell away, everybody gone. Unwilling to share any of the balance, Koki was upset to suggest anything, but Mukesh had an idea. Again, Mukesh had one idea. We'll get another parrot from 10 rupees we have collected. He said, all these parrots look alike. Mukesh said, Arey, what happened? One parrot has gone. It's okay. We have collected 10 rupees from the tickets. We are going to buy one more parrot. They hurried off to the bazaar and bought a parrot, unlike grannies. Now they went to the bazaar. Bazaar means market. And from there they purchased another parrot. But what was the difference between the new parrot and the old parrot? The difference was the old parrot was able to say the prayers, but the new parrot cannot say. Granny, who short-sighted, did not notice the substitution. Now Granny was old. She did not notice that the parrot is changed because both the parents look alike. Both parrots were same. So Granny, her eyes were also weak, so she did not notice that the parrot is not the same parrot. Parrot is a changed parrot. Complained bitterly that the bird has stopped repeating its prayers and was instead making rude noises. But grandmother was saying she was confused. She said, previously this parrot used to say different prayers with me, different, but now this parrot is not saying anything. What happened to this parrot? Because she doesn't know that this parrot is not the old one, this is a new one. She has poor eyesight. She was not able to recognize that this parrot is the new one. So she said, what happened to this parrot? Why this parrot is not saying anything? We previously used to say so many prayers. Now he's saying nothing. This parrot has gone mad. But slowly and gradually, what happened? Teju used to recite prayers in front of the parrot every day, and he had make the parrot learn. The new parrot also he had made it learn different prayers and chants. Teju soon remedied. Now read the last paragraph of the chapter. Teju soon remedied this sad state of affairs. Every morning he stood in front of the parrot's cage and repeated Granny's prayers. Within a few weeks, the bird had learned one of them. Now, slowly, what happened? The Teju used to stand in front of the parrot's cage every morning and he recited the prayers. Slowly and gradually, the new parrot has also learned the prayers. Now the grandmother was happy. Within a few weeks, the bird had learned one of them. Granny was happy again, not only because the parrot had started praying, but also Teju had started praying too. Now, Granny was very happy. Why? Because previously only parrot used to say the prayers, but now who started also saying the prayer with the parrot? The Teju also had started. Teju also had started saying the prayer with the parrot. So Granny became very happy. Now, is the story clear to everybody? Now, how Mukesh and Teji made a zoo, what chaos, how they collected animals, and what chaos happened in the zoo. Everybody started running here and there. All animals went out of the cages. One animal wanted to eat another animal. Then she saved it. Then parrot also gone. They were afraid. They purchased new parrot. Then Granny said, "What type? What happened to my parrot? Now he's not saying anything." Then Teju started reciting prayers and he made the new parrot also learn a new type of prayer. Is it clear? Acha. We have done a choose the correct option from this lesson. Yes? Okay. Okay. So now today I'm going to give you the word meanings. I'm going to give you the word meanings of this lesson and you have to do those word meanings in the fair copy. Okay? In fair copy, you have to do the word meanings of this lesson. I'm going to give you the PDF. Clear to everybody?